What just happened at Aehr Test Systems that has Wall Street talking? The semiconductor testing company just held their fiscal second quarter 2026 earnings call, and while revenue came in softer than expected, management dropped some bombshell guidance that could completely transform this company's trajectory. I'm breaking down the top 10 takeaways you absolutely need to know, counting down from number 10 to the biggest revelation of all. Let's dive in. Starting at number 10, Aehr is no longer just a silicon carbide story. The company is aggressively diversifying into AI processors, gallium nitride power semiconductors, silicon photonics, and flash memory. This strategic expansion dramatically reduces their previous concentration risk in the electric vehicle market and opens up multiple high-growth revenue streams. Management emphasized this diversification is critical for their future growth trajectory. At number 9, Aehr completed a major wafer-level benchmark with a global NAND flash leader just before the holidays. The customer took wafers back for validation, and Aehr demonstrated significantly higher parallelism and power capabilities than traditional probers. Even more exciting, they've proposed a next-generation solution for high-bandwidth flash designed specifically for AI workloads, representing a compelling entry into a massive and evolving memory market. Number 8 brings news on silicon photonics, where Aehr's lead customer has firmed up their production ramp beginning early in fiscal 2027. While this timing is later than previously expected, it aligns with recently announced AI processor platforms and positions the company well for calendar 2026 orders. They've also finalized forecasts with another major silicon photonics customer targeting data center applications. At number 7, we're seeing real momentum in wafer-level AI processor testing. Aehr has completed development of fine-pitch wafer packs for high-current AI processors and is conducting benchmarks with top-tier suppliers. 2 additional AI processor companies have signed up for wafer-level benchmark evaluations, which typically take about 6 months. These customers are evaluating wafer-level testing as an alternative to expensive package part testing of large AI modules. Number 6 reveals Aehr's impressive manufacturing scalability. Management confirmed they can produce over 20 systems per month for both wafer-level and package part burn-in, if needed, during this calendar year. This capacity significantly exceeds their current forecast, but positions them to capture large volume orders when customers are ready to pull the trigger on major capacity expansions. Coming in at number 5, the Sonoma package part burn-in system is absolutely on fire. Aehr received over $5.5 million in Sonoma orders just in the first 6 weeks of fiscal Q3, already exceeding the entire second quarter total. This includes orders from multiple customers and a premier Silicon Valley test lab for their newly introduced higher power configuration supporting up to 2,000 watts per device. At number 4, management provided stunning context on the AI market opportunity. When asked directly about the size of the AI business, CEO Gayn Erickson stated that the AI burn-in business could reach hundreds of millions of dollars for Aehr within a few years. With AI test and burn-in spending estimated between $8 and $15 billion, even a small market share represents transformational revenue potential. Number 3 brings back official company guidance after it was suspended. For the second half of fiscal 2026, Aehr expects revenue between $25 and $30 million with a non-GAAP net loss per share between -9 and -5 cents. While still showing losses at these revenue levels, management emphasized they're investing heavily in R&D to capture the enormous market opportunities ahead. The number 2 takeaway is absolutely critical. Aehr's lead package part production customer for AI processors provided a substantial forecast for AI ASIC production capacity. While purchase orders haven't been received yet, the requested shipments begin in fiscal Q1 2027, starting May 30th. This customer also plans to introduce much higher power ASICs later this year, potentially driving even higher system volumes. And the number 1 most important takeaway from this earnings call: management expects bookings in the second half of fiscal 2026 to reach $60 to $80 million, dramatically exceeding the $25 to $30 million revenue guidance for the same period. This massive bookings guidance would set up extremely strong revenue growth in fiscal 2027. The bulk of these bookings are expected from AI processor applications across both wafer-level and package part burn-in, with CEO Erickson confirming package part AI represents the largest component. This bookings outlook provides the visibility investors have been desperately seeking and validates Aehr's strategic pivot into AI testing markets. If these bookings materialize as forecasted, fiscal 2027 could be a breakthrough year for the company. Drop your thoughts on Aehr Test Systems in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more earnings analysis from Earnings Central.